My name is Darren Giglio. I'm a New York-based private investigator. I've been an investigator for over 15 years. A couple of things that you need to be a private investigator is you have to have a personality of perseverance. I have about 30 agents that work for me. We have probably over 100 active cases going on, homicides, corporate cases, domestic cases, infidelity cases, missing persons. We've followed celebrities, politicians, royal families, heads of states. You name it, I've done it, that's for sure. And in 15 years, I've seen everything that can be seen. People that hire me are people in need. Whether it's someone that was cheated on, somebody that lost money, somebody that's trying to find a lost relative, somebody that's in lawsuits, a crime, or someone that's falsely accused. But our job is not to read the newspapers and find out what happened. Our job is to find out what really happened. What's reported to happen and what really happens are two separate things.
Is this man innocent or is this man guilty? You know, the evidence will point us in the direction that it should. We're not going to bend the truth. We're not going to try to interpret the truth. We're going to report the truth.
Giving them the answers that they are seeking, no matter how difficult, where it may take me, or what I have to do, I will uncover it, and I will get the answers to my clients. We can serve justice, we can make our clients happy, and at the end of the day, we're getting paid to do something that we love.